Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We see here Ofentse talking about Liema, that Liema apparently requested to massage him, and then he refused, and the Liema kind of like talking about that she love him want Liema, but I don't know about that, and I'm not sure about that because Ofentse is that person, Ofentse, man. I don't know how he moves his moves, and now he's talking about TUMI the barber, that TUMI the barber is not creative, is not smart, and he heard that people keep saying he's smart, but I don't see that. He's talking this with Marshall and the other guy, I forgot his name. So yeah, man, I don't know, what do you think about that, Liema and Ofentse? Do you think Liema want Ofentse? Why she would want Ofentse? I think Ofentse is the one that like Liema. But hey man, we'll see this on coming Saturday. You know how things goes on Saturday. We're gonna see how it goes, because Liema is that person who doesn't hide her emotion and how she feel with the person. As we saw that she was trying, or TUMI the Papa was trying to pursue something with Liema. But anyway, we're gonna see that. I just wanted to know, what do you think about this? Because Ofentse is that person, man. I'm not sure about him. And yeah, man, share your opinion and share your view about this. Cheers, man. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Cheers, bye.